Hey everyone! Welcome to Craftamo. Today, we're diving into Lefebvre's watercolor subscription box for the month of October. Let's see what's inside. First, we've got a piece of printed artwork with a handy tutorial link on the back. That will guide us step by step. Next up are watercolor paints. So this month's colors include burnt sienna, viridian hue, birdie blue, and cadmium orange. Brush time! This box features a size 10 cut stone brush and a size 8 filbert. I'm very eager to see what I can create with these brushes. As an extra treat, we've got these beautiful rose gold binder clips. These are very useful, especially if you guys are painting on sketchbooks. Plus, a tracing template and 5 sheets of 300 GSM watercolor paper to make our painting session smooth and enjoyable. Now it's time to get painting. First off, let's talk about why pumpkins are everywhere in October. Pumpkins are not just for pies or lattes. They are a big symbol of fall and especially Halloween. But have you ever wondered why pumpkins and not, say, watermelons? Well, it all goes back hundreds of years. Pumpkins are native to North America and they've been used in autumn celebrations long before Halloween became the holiday we know today. Originally, it was all about harvest time. And pumpkins were just perfect because, they're ready to be picked right as October rolls in. And here's the final look. Thank you guys for unboxing and painting with me. And don't forget to tune in for more videos. Happy painting!